Hello everyone, my name is Ritika and welcome back to my channel. I know I have taken a week's break because I really wanted to. And Universe was also like signing me that Ritika, your storage is full. You have to delete some item to actually record everything, and probably you don't have more people in your team, so you have to do everything on your own. So manage it on your own and just take a break. So I had to listen to universe and I had to actually like listen to myself as well and to everything that is happening around me. Well, yeah, let's just skip and get into the video. So, hi, I will be talking about the things that I think everyone should be eating or should be enjoying in Pune because that it's a big question for all the people who are living in Pune, in PGs and flats or in some or the other rented system, and they are not part of the Pune city and they want to eat something. So I have explored few places and few things that I think I can like suggest or help you out with. And if you want to try, you also try it out. So I have explored Irani Cafe ka chai, which is like a very popular tea. But personally speaking, I'm not a fan of the tea that they serve. I would just rate it 2.5 out of 5. I mean, it is too much of milk and too much of unboiled milk. The ambience is good. The place is really good. The energy is good over there. But tea, food, anything, I cannot suggest. Next is Taco Bell. So Taco Bell, I really like Taco Bell. The food was good according to the price. Taste was okay, so I'll give it 3 or 3.5 out of 5. Next, I tried Chicago pizza. So I tried Chicago pizza, which was in City Pride, in Kharadi, and I tried the pizza roll. It was like good quantity, but honestly, I didn't like the quality. According to the price, the quantity was good. 2.5 out of 5.
I might not like the pizza roll, but the ambience was really good, so you can definitely try it out. And based on one food item, we cannot judge the whole restaurant. So I think there's more to try from the place.
0 degrees. Oh my god, 0 degrees. I think would be the highest ranking in my list. I really like 0 degrees food. Like I'm talking about the food. Ambience is 3 out of 5 because there are certain smells and due to some dusty environment, I would rate it 3 out of 5. But I really like the food that they serve. The I have tried vanilla shake and I've tried pasta and it was really really good. So I'll rate it 4 out of 5, both of it. Then aloo paratha. So I tried aloo paratha from Zepto Cafe and I also tried samosa from Zepto Cafe. I have tried a number of things, so I'll tell about all of that. So I tried aloo paratha from Zepto Cafe, which was I would say 4 out of 5. It was well served with dahi, butter. Then talking about the samosa, I ate samosa 5 to 6 times because at times, I needed something to eat in my breakfast on Sundays, and the Sunday breakfast in the PG was terrible, terrible. So I had to like order something from outside. And usually in Jaipur also, like we eat kachoris. So I was more inclined towards eating samosa or kachori on Sunday mornings. So I had samosas. I would say like 5 to 6 times I ordered it, and half of the time the samosas were really good, hot, and well served. The only thing that I didn't like was the masala that was put on it, which I felt was little unnecessary. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't eat like putting masala over the top of the samosa and eating it. So I didn't like that. And the other half of the times, like 3 times it was hot. The other 3 times, when they got to know that this customer is definitely going to order, they probably like took me for granted, and they served cold samosas. I mean, probably they were kept for days and they just served me, or maybe it was kept from some point of time and they felt कि ठीक है ठंडा भी सर्व कर सकता है, doesn't matter, पैसा तो मिल ही चुका है. So I was really disheartened with that. So I would rate it like अगर मैं टेस्ट के हिसाब से बोलूँ एंड आपके पास कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं है, तो उसके हिसाब से आई विल रेट इट 3 out of 5. But I'll also say कि if you really want to like order something from Zepto, don't pay them in advance, because then they don't take you seriously. This is what I have found out and what I have understood from all the things that I've booked from Zepto. Also, I ordered tea from Zepto, which I think was much like far better than the other tea I had. So, I mean, of course, there has been no tea shop that actually met my taste buds. But if I talk about Zepto Cafe ka tea, it was still like something that was fine. And the price is really high of Zepto Cafe tea, but the quantity is also good. So, like for 100 rupees, you will get like 4 cup tea. So I thought, I mean, see, I'm ordering it from somewhere, तो वहाँ पे डिलीवरी कॉस्ट भी जाएगा. तो अगर 4 लोग ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, 25-25 रुपए लग रहे हैं पर पर्सन पर हेड, तो आई फील इट वॉज स्टिल रीजनेबल. और वहाँ पे ऑप्शन भी आता है मसाला टी का एंड विदाउट शुगर टी का. सो आई थिंक इट वॉज स्टिल फाइन. तो टी का मैं बोलूँगी 3.5 out of 5. Not exactly meeting my taste buds, but is still like something that I can have. Then I explored Cheeseburg in Kharadi, which is in Tulja Bhavani Nagar, I guess. So I used to go over there and I really found the cafe and the food really, really good. So the ambience over the place is really good. There is a chotu sa, you go upstairs and chotu sa place, cozy place to sit and enjoy your meal. If you are living in Tulja Bhavani Nagar, I think that is the nearest shop or restaurant you can explore. So you can explore Cheeseburg. They also give you discount on giving ratings. Next, I tried Haldi Ka Doodh. If you like turmeric milk and if you feel that turmeric milk can help your cough and cold, so you can try it. It's opposite DIY store in Kharadi, and the milk is around 35 to 40 rupees, which is a very reasonable rate. So Haldi Ka Doodh, I'll rate 4 out of 5. Next, Nourishing Farms. I tried Nourishing Farms का pasta salad, which I really liked. बहुत अच्छे से आता है. It is well packed. It is like a very healthy meal if you want to try. I mean, of course, pasta, I don't know how healthy it is. I don't want to like give any opinion on that. But Nourishing Farm is generally giving out healthy stuff. So you can try. I would not say every other thing you can try, but I really like this pasta salad. So if you want to like try something from Nourishing Farms, you can try pasta salad and everybody will like it. So I'll rate it 3.5 out of 5.
I've tried a number of things from Nourishing Farms because its vending machine was available at my working place. I've tried cold coffee, I've tried chocolate mousse, and I can clearly say that there is only one item that you should try from the place, that is pasta salad. Other things are not at all of quality.